How to loop video in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, let's learn on how to loop a video using the CapCut application. So if you want to create a loop effect where the video plays continuously, follow the steps. First of all, you have to open the CapCut application on your mobile device and then create a new project or tap on the project that is already created. You can also import the video you want to loop. Now to make the video loop, select it on your timeline by tapping on it. Scroll down through the options until you find the duplicate option. It is between mask and replace option. Tap on it. And if you have an older version of CapCut, this option may be labeled as copy. Click on duplicate or copy to create an exact copy of your video. Now when you play the video in your timeline, you'll see that it plays on repeat. You can repeat this duplication step as many times as you want to achieve the desired loop effect. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can loop video in CapCut. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.